Smells a little fishy in my kitchen today. We're making salmon patties, a southern staple. Come along with me and I'll show you how to make them, step by step. I've taken a can of pink salmon. It's 14.75 ounces. And you could either dump it in there, but I like to pick the bone out and that black skin stuff. I don't use that. If you don't want to do that, you can just buy the salmon in a pouch. It's already been cleaned. You know, I drained it in a colander. But I don't like the bone and the black stuff. It's skin. Flaking it, getting it all so it won't be in clumps. Okay, got that done. We're going to take our onion. I chopped it up in my food processor because I wanted it to be a little, you know, small. This is cornmeal. This is self-rising flour. One egg. And mayonnaise. And this is to make it moist. We'll put just a little bit of pepper, just a little bit of salt, and a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Yep, just a tap, tap, tap. Yep, that's it. Finish mixing it. We're going to make our patties. I take a medium spoon, make our patties. You want to let them cook 3 or 4 minutes on one side, and then we're going to flip them, cook them on the other. I like mine a little bit thick, but some people like, you know, smash them, make them flat. We had salmon patties growing up. My daddy loved the canned stuff, but he, you know, liked it all, just dump it in with the bone and all. We cooked them. They're a cheap way to have a meal full of protein. They're full of calcium, potassium, protein. And all you need is a can of the salmon and a little bit of stuff you have around the house, and you got your entree. In fact, my sister-in-law's having these tomorrow night. Salmon patties. It's one of her daughter's favorites. But they're good, moist, and you get that brown crust on them. Delicious. I don't particularly like a lot of salmon. I just don't like fish. But my husband does, so I cook them for him. You don't have to like something to cook it. My mother-in-law, she made them too. She lived in Florida, and she called them salmon croquettes. So they're by many names. They should be done. They're crisp on both sides. Going to put them on a paper towel. A little bit more oil in there, or olive oil. I use olive oil, but you can use whatever you want. You can make these as big as you like, or flat, or whatever you choose. It smells good. I'll eat some of these. I usually pour ketchup all over it. But my husband, he loves fish. He could eat it every day. They've drained a little bit on this paper towel. Now we're going to plate them up. Don't that look wonderful? Can you see them? Salmon fried salmon patties. Delish. You can have them just about with anything. Hush puppies, coleslaw, vegetable. Get you some sauteed vegetables in there or something. Give them a try. The recipes will be down in the description. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. And as always, God bless.